This FOCEAN EVA foam boat decking in desert camouflage feels dense and resilient underfoot, giving small fishing boats and larger yachts a stable, non-slip surface even when wet. The self-adhesive backing bonds securely to clean fiberglass or aluminum decks, so once it is rolled out and pressed down, it stays flat without curling at the edges. Because the closed-cell foam does not soak up water and shrugs off salt, fish blood, and spilled drinks, it is easy to keep clean with a quick rinse, vacuum, or pressure wash. The sheet is long and wide enough to cover a generous section of deck, yet it cuts cleanly with a sharp knife, making custom fitting around hatches and hardware straightforward for do-it-yourself installers. The cushioned surface noticeably softens engine vibration and standing fatigue, while the textured pattern adds extra grip without feeling abrasive on bare feet or knees. Beyond boat decks, the camouflage mat also works well on kayaks, recreational vehicles, swim platforms, and even around swimming pools or garden walkways where a comfortable, non-slip surface is welcome.